friends, hola amigos. Today we are going to take out our flour mixture. Hoy vamos a sacar tu mezcla de harina, okay, and your stick y tu pavo, okay. And so this is just flour and salt and ginger and cinnamon and a little bit of oil in here, okay. Esto es harina, sal, jengibre, canela y aceite, okay? Okay, and then you're also going to need some warm water. Necesites agua tibia y necesites, and you're gonna also need measuring spoons, okay? So cucharas de medir, okay? So you're gonna want the big one, quieres grande. So it's called 1 tablespoon, okay? That's the big one. So you're gonna try 1 tablespoon at a time, uno a la tiempo, okay, of agua. So let me move my camera so you can see. Okay, so do 1 at a time. 1, and then take your stick and mix it up. Keep mixing, mix, mix, mix. Okay. Oh, here comes my kitty. She's got to see what's going on. Hi. That's not for you. Oh, by the way, this is not for eating, okay? Esto no es para comer. Okay? It's for playing. It's para jugar. Alright. I think mine was good with 1 tablespoon. I'm not sure. Maybe just a tiny bit more. Un chiquito más. Not the whole thing. So let me just give like a little bit more. A little bit. A little bit. Okay, we'll try that. You don't want to do too much. All right, mix it up, mix it up. Now I'm going to put it on my board, okay? I have it on my writing board, and when I'm done, I'm going to clean it. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if that's good. There we go. So now we have gingerbread play-dough. Plastilina de jengibre. But it's not for eating, okay? It's no para comer. It's for playing with. You can probably get it to a point where you can play around with it with your hands. There we go. See? There. Now we have gingerbread play-dough. Alright, now I'll put the recipe on in case you want to make it again, you want to make more. I'll put the recipe up so you can make a little bit more. But I gave you all just a little bit at home, okay? So if you want to make more, you can have more. And you might have your tools and stuff, okay? Tiene tu herramientas, okay? But you might need more flour, okay? Necesites más harina. Or, yeah, harina, because it's sticky. Okay, let's see if it, oh, I can do it. There we go. All right, I can move it around, flip it over. I don't know if I can use a cutter or not. Let me see if I can make a heart. Let's see, did it work? Take away the extra. It might have worked. There we go. I got a heart. All right. So that's how you use the mixture I gave you. Okay, so just add a little bit usar chiquito agua a la tiempo, okay? A little bit of water at a time. And then you can have your gingerbread Play-Doh. And then I already made one so I could test it out. If you keep it in your container, it stays good, okay? So, when you're done, cuando termine, necesitas limpiar, okay? So it stays good, because this is my old one. Okay. You just play around with it. And you can try to make a gingerbread man with yours. Let's see, what's a gingerbread man look like? He has legs, and he has arms, legs for running. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. You try to use your stick for his head and draw a face. Un cara, eyes, and a mouth. Okay, so you can play around and have fun with your ginger. All right, bye friends.